Porsche has once again partnered with the renowned fashion brand Aimé Leon Dore, ALD, for an exclusive collaboration, breathing new life into one of its most iconic models, the Porsche 993 Turbo. This remarkable restoration project not only enhances the car's performance but also reflects the essence of luxury and New York City style, thanks to ALD's signature aesthetic. The collaboration brings a stylish twist to the 993 Turbo with the application of a custom Mulberry Green paint, a shade that pays homage to the sophisticated urban environment that ALD draws its inspiration from. This color is also matched with 18-inch Porsche Turbo Twist rims, which are coated in the same Mulberry Green hue with gold accents that tie into the car's exterior. The visual effect is striking, blending Porsche's automotive heritage with a contemporary fashion statement that speaks to both car enthusiasts and fashion-forward individuals alike. Inside the car, the collaboration continues with luxurious interior enhancements. The cabin features a beautiful dark brown leather upholstery with lambswool accents, creating a cozy and refined environment. The seats, too, are painted in Mulberry Green, further accentuating the car's striking design. A custom brass unisphere gear knob adds a touch of personal flair, while the door sills bear the inscription, "A team from out of Queens with the American dream," a nod to the roots of Aimé Leon Dore's founder, Teddy Santis, and the spirit of New York. This bespoke Porsche 993 Turbo is not just about looks, it is about embodying a fusion of craftsmanship, performance, and New York culture. ALD's refined design touches are a perfect match for Porsche's engineering excellence, creating a car that is as much a piece of art as it is a performance machine. This project is also part of a broader initiative with ALD, where Porsche has launched a capsule collection inspired by the car's design. Apparel and accessories from this collection, including the highly anticipated leather club jacket, are available at Aimé Leon Dore stores and online. The collection brings together the worlds of high-end fashion and automotive design, allowing enthusiasts and fans to embrace the unique Porsche 993 Turbo experience in their everyday life. Porsche's collaboration with Aimé Leon Dore is a testament to the power of cross-industry partnerships. By blending automotive innovation with fashion and culture, this project not only reimagines a legendary sports car but also highlights the creativity that defines both brands. Fans of Porsche and ALD alike will undoubtedly appreciate this beautifully restored 993 Turbo, which now stands as a symbol of modern luxury, performance, and style.